This video is made for my dearest British friend Ben West, who is enjoying a rustic life in Jimbu, Gangwon-do Province, South Korea. A few days ago, he asked me to teach how to make a doenjangguk, the soybean paste soup. So that's why I'm making this video. I hope you guys enjoy. In Korean cooking, there are three major sauces. Number one is doenjang, soybean paste. Number two is ganjang, soy sauce. And number three is gochujang, red pepper paste. Today I'm going to use doenjang, soybean paste, which is widely used in Korean cooking. Okay, now let's start. Actually, when you make a doenjangguk, you have three options for your water. First thing is just plain water, and second one is the water which is used for washing the rice. When you wash rice and you drain the water, and you have some of the powder of the rice will be remained in some ivory colored water, so it can be used for doenjangguk to give a texture. But number three, the best option is to make a stock. Three major ingredients for making stocks are anchovy, mushroom, and kelp. All the three ingredients have umami flavor when they are boiled. To make a stock, all I need to do is to put all the ingredients together and boil for around 20 minutes. Okay, stock is finally done, and I'm gonna get rid of the ingredients that I put. Now I have a very clear stock. Ingredients are very simple. Basically, we need a doenjang, the soybean paste. This is 100% homemade, but if you cannot get homemade soybean paste, just buy in the supermarket. That is good enough. And besides the soybean paste, you can choose any kind of vegetables you like. My choice is zucchini, potato, radish, cabbage, green onion, pepper, and tofu. But if you don't like any of this, just skip it. And if you like spinach or kimchi cabbage, you can choose whatever you like. It's 100% up to you. If you finish choosing your ingredients, the vegetable ingredients, now it is time to cut everything into small pieces. I'm going to make it spoon friendly, which means I'm going to dice into small pieces so that Korean style soup can carry most of the ingredients all together on it. Okay, now cutting is over, and next just boil the stock and put soybean paste and all these cut ingredients together and boil around 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. Now let's start cooking our doenjangguk. Transfer the stock to the pot that I'm going to use. This pot is called 뚝배기, but if you don't have 뚝배기, you can use your pot in your kitchen. First, put doenjang here and break until there's no lump. After that, put all your ingredients here together. Just boil. For a strong flavor, my choice is to add red pepper powder, gochugaru. Sprinkle and stir. Now you can see the color is changing a little bit into very bright brown. Okay, it's good. When the vegetables are cooked enough, you can turn it off. Cooking doenjangguk or doenjang찌개, soybean paste soup or stew is very simple. Hope you guys enjoy my recipe. If you have any comments or questions, please leave a message here. Thank you very much. Bye.